Hey folks, today I'm going to give you a little quick tutorial to get you started on G67 2.6 AB. This is just adding and subtracting positive and negative fractions. We've got different denominators here. No mixed numbers though, so it could be worse. Taking a look at this first one, the first thing you got to think about is what's your plan here. Our plan is we're going to take this number and we're really just going to subtract this number because when you add a negative, it's the same as subtracting. So I know you just want to go 3 minus 1 and 5 minus 3. It's so tempting. Of course you can't. You have to find a common denominator. So let's go ahead and find the common denominator here. Let's see. I'm just going to erase this here, and I'll make new fraction bars here. 5 and 3, we'll use 15 as our common denominator on both sides. And this one here, I'm going to have to multiply that dude times 5 to get to 15. So I'll have to do the same on the top. So we've got a negative 5/15. You can cross that fraction out. We're done with that, dude. This one here, 5 to 15, I'm going to have to take 5 times 3. So this one is going to have to be 3 times 5. Take this one, 5 times 3. And so this is going to be 3 times 3, which is going to give me 9/15. So I can cross this dude out. So now really what we have is 9/15 plus a negative 5/15. This is simple subtraction. Remember, you don't need to worry about the bottoms. When we have a common denominator, that's the whole purpose of getting one. Just subtract straight across, 9 minus 5 or 9 plus a negative 5. Either way you shake it, you got 4/15 left. There's your answer. Okay, go over here, take a look at your answer sheet in the various columns there, and I think you're going to find it. Let's see, here, T, 4/15. So you go to problem number 1, and we are going to put a T in. And if you do this all right, you're going to answer this question. How could Goldilocks and the Big Bad Wolf be in the same house? All right, don't panic. Take a look down here. What are you going to do here? Well, let's take and add these two dudes together first. Step 1, and then we'll subtract the 5/12. Reasonable? Good. You could use 6 as a denominator here, but you're going to have to get to 12 here, so you could just use 12 here as well. What? It's not a fraction. Wait. Yes, it is. Okay. That was a little dramatic, wasn't it? Okay. And just one more time for the record. I see that. All right. Thanks a lot for listening. A little tutorial to get you going on adding and subtracting positive and negative fractions. Have fun.